Thank you and enjoy your flight.
Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to watch HellFire Concrete Coating by Legacy Industrial get installed. As you can see here, this is the prep step. Depending upon the porosity of concrete, you may just have to clean it, you may have to etch it. You may, in some very rare cases, have to grind it, as Legacy Industrial's HellFire Concrete Coating is a unique product that really gets a grip very easily onto concrete. Once everything's prepped up, you can start the coating process. You're going to cut in your edges with a small brush or roller, and then once the edges are cut in, then you can start rolling. 3/8 inch nap roller, designed for polymer coatings. Best case 18 inch wide. That will help stop any roller marks from occurring. We recommend 3 coats for the best looking finish.